Hi everyone. So what is a GenAI? So GenAI is referred to class of the artificial intelligence system that can create a new content such as a text, image, music, even a video by learning from existing data. So this model is called a generative because they generate or produce a new output that were not part of the initial training data set. So this will be learning from data and generating a new content. So we are using one library. So today I'm showing a one library that is called the diffusers. So diffusers is by the Hugging Face. So that is a diffusion model we will see. So what is a diffusers? So diffusers is a Python library developed by the Hugging Face that provide a tool of utilities for creating and working with the diffusion models in the field of generative AI. So the diffusion models are type of generative model that can generate a high quality of image, audio, video, even a text uh, you can generate. And this model have become a popular due to the ability of generating a realistic and high quality of outputs. So how it works? So we will see in this example. So I will create one example in the Python, and with the Python code you can see with how it works. So first of all we need to install our library, that is a diffusers. This is my Google Colab, so I'm importing this library, and the next step is we need to import our diffuser stable pipeline. Import image, and I will import matplotlib. Torch is not required, but we can take it. Okay, so this is two library we are importing, four library we are importing here. So now you can see here my diffusers is installed already, and here I have my library. Now create a pipeline. So I'm writing like this pipe. So this is a pre-trained model, stable diffusion v14. So I imported this one. Now you can see here my model is imported successfully. Now they import all the model, like they fetching the all the pre-trained model from this diffusion v14. So this is a pre-trained model, is already there by the Hugging Face. Now the next step is we need to create the image. Okay, so I will creating my image like a photograph of astronaut riding a horse on Mars. Okay, so like this we are creating one image with this, and the next step is we need to write like image dot show for showing our image. So you can see here I write it that image pipe and photo of astronaut riding a horse on Mars. Now I use the matplotlib and I'm showing my image like this. So now you can see this is not the full image because it's showing that astronaut is here, and it's not showing the proper image of the horse and the everything. But this is how it the generative AI will work, how the generative AI show the content. And next example I'm taking here, I'm creating the pipeline, I'm generating the image of photograph of flying cars. So it's take time because it's 50 epochs will be run and they will be show that image here. So this is how the diffusers is work. So it's very interesting library that introduced by the Hugging Face, and you can use this and you can create new images using this library. Thank you guys.